Hey, 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 good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, we're going to be making Hawaiian sliders. So, let's go ahead and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today, and let's go ahead and jump right into them Hawaiian sliders that we're going to be making. You're going to be needing some of them Hawaiian buns that I did show you how to make. I'll be sure to leave an iCard up above. You're going to be needing some whip. You're going to be needing some ham. And you're going to be needing some turkey slices. You're going to be needing some slices of Swiss cheese and provolone. You're going to be needing some onion powder, and you're going to be needing some honey Dijon mustard, and you're going to be needing some butter. With that all being said, let's go ahead and assemble them bad boys. I'm taking our buns that we cooled off of our cooling rack, and now just sit there, slice them in half, and put them on your cookie sheet. Now after you have them sliced, I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do, and I'm going to finish off the whole cookie sheet. But you're going to sit there, take some Miracle Whip, sit there and spread one of the buns with some mayo. So let me give you an example of what I'm going to be doing. Oops. Okay, now I would sit there and take some mayo and just brush it over the bottoms of the buns on only one of the buns, and it's usually the bottom bun that I do it on as such. This over here are all the top buns, and right down here are the top buns on this side. So I'm just gonna sit there and lightly smear the inside of each one of my buns with the mayo. On this plate here, I have ham here, and I have some turkey here. Now, what I would do is I would sit there and take a slice of ham, fold it up, go like that, grab your other slice of meat, and go like that. Now keep going all the way down, the whole way, like this, alternating your meat until you get to the end. Now I'm gonna sit there and take a slice of Swiss cheese, and I'm just gonna, you can cut yours in half, I'm just gonna tear mine in half, and I'm gonna sit there and give a layer of Swiss cheese down as such, and now I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put another layer of meat down. And again, we're alternating. And then I'm gonna grab a slice of provolone. And again, I'm just gonna sit there and tear this roughly in half. Or if you want to sit there and cut yours, go right on ahead. But I'm just gonna sit there and lay my provolone right down as such. And now we're gonna sit there, and you know what, I feel like I'm Henry VIII telling you to repeat myself, but I am. So, second verse, same as the first. Okay, now we can sit there and put our tops back on as such. Okay, now I have to push these back into place, and now I'm gonna work on the second row here. So I'll see you when I'm all done assembling all these. And we're gonna be needing some of this, what's this heel sauce, as my sister Cricket says. So we're gonna go ahead. I have a croquette, and I'm just gonna sit there. The recipe is down below, so don't worry, you're not gonna miss anything. I'm just taking a little bit of my butter. I'm gonna sit there, put a little bit of the what's this here sauce in. We're gonna add some honey Dijon mustard. And some onion powder. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give that all a good mix. Okay, I have it all mixed up, and now I'm just gonna sit there and spread a little over the top of each roll, and I'll be back when we're all done spreading each one of these rolls with all that luscious sauce that I just showed you how to make. Alright, as you see, I spread all that luscious butter sauce all over the top of them. Now I'm going to sit there and take a piece of tin foil, and we're just going to cover the tops of these and let these just sit 10 minutes before we put them in a hot oven. And that hot oven temperature should be at 350 degrees. Alright, after 10 minutes, remove the tin foil and let it go for another 2 minutes. And here they are, hot out of the oven. Now I'm just gonna let them rest just a tad bit, and then I'll go ahead and plate some up for my husband, and we'll go on from there. Alright, now I'm just gonna sit there and slice between each one of these. That way everybody can just grab and go. So I'm going to continue cutting all these. Alright, I sliced each and every one of them all up. And now I have my nice little handy dandy basket. I'm going to throw a few of these in here for my husband, and I'll be taking them to him. And there you go. that's how easy it was to make a Hawaiian slider. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, go down below, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And y'all come back now, you hear?